Welcome to Afflys, the ultimate destination for those aspiring to achieve wealth, luxury, and success through dedication and hard work. In today's video, we'll explore how advancements in artificial intelligence are reshaping the job market. While AI brings many opportunities, it also poses risks to certain professions. Here are 15 jobs that could disappear in the next 20 years due to AI. Understanding these trends can help you adapt and prepare for the future. Let's dive in. Number 1, telemarketers. Telemarketing is becoming increasingly automated with AI-powered systems that can make calls, answer questions, and even handle sales. As these technologies improve, the need for human telemarketers will decline. Companies are turning to AI for its efficiency and cost-effectiveness, reducing the demand for traditional telemarketing roles. Number 2, cashiers. With the rise of self-checkout kiosks and automated payment systems, the role of cashiers is diminishing. AI-driven checkout technology can handle transactions quickly and accurately, making human cashiers less necessary. Retailers are adopting these technologies to enhance customer experience and reduce labor costs. Number 3, bank tellers. Online banking and AI-powered financial services are reducing the need for bank tellers. Many banking tasks, such as deposits, withdrawals, and account management, can now be done digitally. As customers increasingly prefer online banking, traditional teller positions are declining. Number 4, travel agents. AI-driven travel platforms and booking engines have made it easier for people to plan and book trips on their own. These systems can offer personalized recommendations and handle complex itineraries, reducing the need for human travel agents. The convenience and efficiency of AI-based travel services are driving this shift. Number 5, data entry clerks. AI and machine learning algorithms can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, reducing the need for manual data entry. Automated data processing systems can handle tasks like inputting, sorting, and organizing data, making data entry clerks less essential in many industries. Number 6, factory workers. Manufacturing is increasingly becoming automated with the use of AI and robotics. These technologies can perform repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency, reducing the need for human factory workers. Companies are investing in automation to improve productivity and reduce labor costs. Number 7, postal workers. With the rise of email, online billing, and package delivery automation, the demand for traditional postal workers is declining. AI-powered sorting and delivery systems are becoming more common, streamlining the process and reducing the need for human intervention. Number 8, newspaper delivery. As digital news platforms grow, traditional newspaper delivery is becoming obsolete. Many people now prefer to get their news online, reducing the demand for physical newspaper deliveries. The shift to digital media is reshaping the way news is consumed and distributed. Number 9, librarians. AI-driven cataloging and search systems are changing the role of librarians. Automated systems can organize, catalog, and retrieve information more efficiently than humans. While libraries will still need staff for specialized tasks, the demand for traditional librarian roles is decreasing. Number 10, assembly line workers. AI and robotics are transforming assembly lines, allowing for greater automation and precision. These technologies can perform repetitive tasks faster and more accurately than human workers. As automation becomes more widespread, the need for assembly line workers is expected to decline. Number 11, insurance underwriters. AI algorithms can assess risk and determine insurance premiums more accurately than humans. Automated underwriting systems are becoming more common, reducing the need for traditional insurance underwriters. These systems can analyze large data sets and identify patterns that humans might miss. Number 12, call center agents. AI-powered chatbots and customer service systems are handling many tasks previously performed by call center agents. These systems can answer questions, resolve issues, and even make sales. As AI continues to improve, the demand for human call center agents will decrease. Number 13, stock traders. Algorithmic trading systems powered by AI can analyze market data and execute trades at high speeds. These systems can make more informed and timely decisions than human traders, reducing the need for traditional stock traders. The finance industry is increasingly relying on AI to optimize trading strategies and improve returns. Number 14, receptionists. Automated check-in systems and virtual assistants are replacing traditional receptionist roles. These AI-driven systems can greet visitors, manage appointments, and handle inquiries. Businesses are adopting these technologies to streamline operations and reduce labor costs. Number 15, taxi drivers. With the development of self-driving cars, the role of taxi drivers is at risk. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI can navigate and transport passengers without human intervention. As self-driving technology becomes more advanced and widespread, the demand for traditional taxi drivers will decline. These 15 jobs are at risk of disappearing due to advancements in AI. By understanding these trends, you can better prepare for the future and explore new opportunities. Remember, the key to success in a changing job market is adaptability and continuous learning. Thank you for watching Afflys. Remember, the road to affluence starts with a single step. Keep striving, stay motivated, and together, we'll achieve greatness. See you in the next video.